Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and you should never let dirt and grime slow you down. This angry orange citrus multi-purpose cleaner is going to help you keep on going. The best part about this is that it does not have a chemical smell. It is good for any room. Just make sure you shake it before use. It has the typical off, stream, and spray options. I'm needing to clean and sell my old island and clean the corner to make room for our new island. And this was so dirty, so much caked and gross grime. And this cold pressed natural orange oil, it did such a good job lifting up any rust on the hinges. It just looked brand new. It makes quick work of any stickers and leaves no sticky residue. Nothing drives me more crazy than dirty looking stainless steel. And this made such a night and day difference. You can just see how they sparkle now. I have a lot of bamboo surfaces in my house, so not only did it give a good thorough clean, but because of the natural oils, it just left the bamboo top looking so clean and conditioned. But now it's time for the floor, the wall, and the window mess. This made such quick work of everything. A little bit goes a long way. Just with a little scrub brush, you can just see it all come up so easily. What a big difference it made of all that built up dirt. You can see it start to slide off when I start spraying it. This is such a perfect one and done because you could use it on any surface. You can just see how clean the window is now. The floor, the baseboards, everything just cleaned up so nice. You can see all the dirt that it got up, and it helped clean up what I needed to sell and to clean up this corner so that it was ready for our new addition. I definitely was impressed with this cleaner. This worked so hard for me and smelled great. And that's my point of view.